All right, $1,000 a day we're about to spend on Tesla. Let's go shopping and stop buying. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Tesla is set to join the S&P 500 and it's going to be a roller coaster of madness. We don't know what could happen, what could not. Are we going to reach new heights, all-time highs? Is Tesla off to the moon? In fact, off to Mars and then back and then up to Jupiter. I don't know, some other planet that we probably haven't even discovered yet, but you can tell I'm excited. There's that, including me deciding to possibly invest $1,000 a day. Okay, you see further down the video, so be sure to watch the video all the way from the beginning till the end. But with all of that being said, guys, YouTube, it's Ronnie MP.
It's RonnieMP.com.
Want to join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification. Then let me know that you subscribe down below. That's it. Hey yo, what's good YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Ronnie MP. Thank you and welcome to a brand new video of It's Ronnie MP, the show where we bring you guys a bunch of financial videos suggested by you guys and you guys only. So if you're brand new to the channel, be sure to absolutely this part take this serious, yeah? Stop the music, Susie. Thank you. Stop. I said stop. When I say stop the music, you stop the music. But be sure to destroy that like button and shake it all about, okay? It helps out a ton for the YouTube algorithm. It honestly helps to get this video out in front of like-minded millionaires, future millionaires and billionaires such as you and me. Otherwise, I won't be saying it. So be sure to literally, let's just do it now right now. It takes a few seconds. Click it. Thank you very much. Subscribe button and notification bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Thank you very much. This way you don't miss out on any of the updates whenever I release them. Okay, so thank you ever so much for doing so. But we are talking Stockler? I was going to say Stockler. We're talking Tesla. Man says Stockler. But we're talking Tesla and the future looks bright. Before that, all of that, there was a lot of doubt. Is why isn't Tesla in the S&P 500? Blah blah blah. And now it's switched to and by the way, Cathie Wood, who ARK Invest, amazing investor and whatnot. I've been following some of her stuff recently. As I told you guys, we're learning, but we're trying to pick up the game real quick so we can get started and start killing these gains. So I've had a few interesting comments in my comment section, which to each their own. But certain people saying I'm investing wrong, I'm doing this, that, and look, all I'm saying is you do what you want to do with your money and let me do what I want to do with my money, because let's not forget, at the end of the day, this is your real hard-earned income. So if you're not doing research trying to find out what you're investing into and all of that stuff, then it's inevitable, right? Until you maybe make a bad mistake or fail or whatever it is that's going to happen to you. But as for me, I'm putting in the work, I'm putting in the time, and I'm trying to see these gains as fast as possible. So if you've missed what took place in the previous video, be sure to go and watch it after watching this video, but I'll break it down for you guys. I sold my S&P 500. I had an S&P 500 about £1,080 or something like that. British pounds this is. Sold it off. It was tough, I'm not gonna lie. It was a long video as well, but I documented everything for you guys live, so it will be interesting for you to go and definitely check it out. But I sold it off and I made the start. Okay, I decided, okay, I'm going all in on Tesla because I believe the potential for Tesla is just huge. We're barely scraping just a tip of the iceberg. We haven't even tasted anything yet. It's just a little droplet, but I believe the future is absolutely insane. So I've been doing some of my research. I mean, I've got a video that I'm going to be doing. A video that I'm going to be watching with you guys. So first of all, let me show you guys so you guys can see on my phone. This is Tesla, baby. Okay, this is what the portfolio is looking like right now. Sold off all of my shares as well, including the free ones that you get from Trading 212. And if you don't know, now you're about to know. Trading 212 gives you a free share. All you have to do is deposit £1 into the account, and they'll give you a share that's valued up to 100 pounds. Link is in the description. I'm sure this is limited. I'm sure there's going to be a time, maybe I don't know, in a month, 2, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, that they're going to stop giving these free shares. So that's what I'm telling people. This most likely is limited. Get your free share right now and get started with investing. Okay, well, with Trading 212. Okay, link below. But as for me, guys, you guys can see this is what my portfolio is now looking like. I am absolutely loving it. I love the power of one, of focusing on one thing and seeing, okay, is my money safe there? Is it not? Okay, it might be volatile, but what is the company doing? Why is it maybe volatile? Are they investing in their future? Because if they are investing in their future, then best believe there's a lot of chance that your money will grow, because he who is wise enough to invest for the future will gain the future. I just made that up. I don't know where I've heard that from, but it appeared in my head. Okay, he who invests in the future shall gain the future. Thou shall thou. It sounds like a Shakespeare thing going on here, but you get the gist. So this is what the portfolio is looking like right now. Gains of 17%. Before selling off all of my free shares, including all the shares that I bought, Coca-Cola, Apple, all of that, I even took a decent L with Apple, selling it short term, because I know Tesla is just going to smash it, and I didn't want to miss out on any droplet of gains throughout the year. So the video that I'm going to be checking out, as well as investing now, we're going to go in for the kill. I told you guys I'm going to be investing 1,000 a day up until whenever I decide to stop. Okay, but 1,000 a day. So for right now, from the money that I received from selling the S&P 500, you guys will see right here. So I'll go my free funds. I've got 1,000 free funds. That's my own money. 1,904 sorry, what am I on about? 1,094 pounds. I believe £18 of that was profit from holding. Yeah, it was profit. Actually, hold on. I'm doing better than I thought I'm doing, because with my Vanguard portfolio, I received a dividend of £19. Yes, I can actually show you guys. Actually, I've been beating myself about it. I'm taking that L by selling Apple, but I'll show you guys. I'll pull it up right now so you can see what I'm talking about. So I've got hopefully I can see it right there. I know I've been doing quite a bit of selling dividend. Okay, so I received a dividend from Apple. You guys can see it right there, of £1.16. But I also received a dividend from Apple of this was about a month or so ago when I started Apple. No, that's when I bought. Dividend, you see that right there, Vanguard. So not from Apple, but from Vanguard, sorry, £19.20. So in fact, I'm at a gain. That's why it's saying total returns of £2.90 right there from these lot. Okay, but however, we already know what I haven't sold any of my shares yet for Tesla, so we haven't seen anything pop up on here for that, if that makes sense. If not, don't worry about it. It's nothing super important anyways to understand right now. But as you guys can see, I'm showing you guys the proof right there. So Vanguard paid me £19.20 for having a lot of money in Vanguard for about a month or so. So I received dividend from that, and then I received another Apple dividend. So all in all, I'm not actually at an L. So I love it, and I've just thought about it right now because I'm like, hold on. But anyways, okay, so that's good news. I'm glad we got that out of the way. So we're not taking any L's, baby. And now what we're about to do. So now what we're going to do is we're going to watch this video, which is about Tesla joining the S&P 500. And it's titled S&P 500 will put 100 billion in trades. In trades motion. In trades in motion. But I don't know about the titling of that video. That in trades in motion. Zoom out, you see that right there, in trades in motion. But anyways, this is the video I'm about to check out. I'm just going to check out the end of it because I believe that's when the juicy stuff sort of begins. So we're here for the juicy stuff basically, right? So yeah, let's scroll right there. So yeah, for each and every single roughly a minute or so, I'm going to be buying £100 worth of Tesla stock, which at the end we should reach about 1,000. But if not, definitely at the end of this video anyways that you're watching, I'm going to be an extra £1,000 deep into Tesla, the Tesla train. Okay, so hopefully it's the train of success as well, but we're in this long term anyways. You guys are gonna see. I'm telling you. So let's get started with the video now, and then I'll pause whenever I need to dump some money in.
Well, just wait till you hear what's going on with Tesla, because the stock is set to join the S&P 500 on December 21st. Normally that joining would be pretty ho-hum, but not with Tesla, because it is so massive now. The Journal detailed the care asset managers and trading desks. Even the S&P itself is taking when it comes to this move, because inclusion could easily put more than $100 billion into motion. As things stand, Tesla would be the 6th largest component in the S&P after the big five.
It will be the 6th. So this is the largest company that's ever joined the S&P 500. Like the largest. Okay, what was the other one? Berkshire Hathaway, I believe, like I guess a couple of years ago, or whenever they joined. But yeah, this will be the largest. I'm sure they might even compare it to it, or I don't know. But let's see.
5 mega cap tech companies. Its weighting would be so massive from day one. There's a debate over whether to add it all on one day or spread it over 2 days, Mike, or even to spread it out over 2 quarters, which is what MSCI did with China a few years ago. I mean, this. I understand that S&P's inclusion has been a catalyst for Tesla's latest move higher, but a $500 billion company makes no sense to me.
It's amazing, and
That's
the
insane,
farther
mate.
the stock goes up before it gets in, the more friction it creates upon entry. Now, the index funds are not just going to sit there and wait and buy every share the day it goes in. There's a way to scale, and there's a way of getting exposure incrementally, and trying to be smart about the execution of it. It's not terribly different than 10 plus years ago when Berkshire Hathaway went in at a similar size relative to the total market cap. It was a much less volatile stock, though. It was not something that was going to necessarily get away from the index funds. Now, the thing about Tesla is the stock itself trades an enormous amount of dollar volume every single day. $30 to $40 billion is routine on a
Wow. He said 30 billion or 30 plus or so billion is routine. Okay, guys, so what I might do is, just for copyright reasons, as being a YouTuber, I know with some of these videos, they'll just block it worldwide. So what I might do is, just for copyright reasons, I won't be investing in between the videos. What I'll do is, just in case we receive a copyright for this, what I'm going to do is, at the end of it, I'm going to invest the large sum of money, just like the 1,000 basically, right? Pounds. Okay, and then yeah, that'll be easier that way rather than incrementally in between, just in case the content of this video that we're reviewing gets demonetized. Once I remove it from the video, it won't make sense if you're rewatching it without the clip of this. Okay, so yeah, I just thought I'd mention that for you guys so you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so let's carry on.
One-day basis for Tesla. It's much more about what happens to the rest of the index as we have that push and pull of Tesla getting in.
And that's, John, what people are saying is the fact that it's so liquid should help. But would you apply what you said about trying to figure out Bitcoin to figuring out Tesla's share price?
It's like I'm an old man today.
Really? You comparing Bitcoin to Tesla?
This scares me. It's like a meteor heading toward the S&P 500. Comparing it to
Because I swear Bitcoin isn't backed up by anything. No gold, no nothing. It's what the people make of it, isn't it? But however, Tesla, come on, the assets they have, they do have $13 billion in debt, but however, that's nothing comparing to the competition that they're up against, which really they're just gonna fall, because they've got 200 plus, like Volkswagen, they've got like 225 billion debt. Okay, over $200 billion in debt compared to $13 billion in debt. And I'm sure they could pay it off as well, but that's not their strategy. The strategy is growth. We're reaching for not even the sky or the moon, but we're reaching beyond Mars. So that for me makes a lot of sense, you know?
It's a little bigger in market cap right now, I think, than Berkshire Hathaway. And it's like the opposite kind of company. Berkshire Hathaway, you know, Warren Buffett, boring, don't understand technology, kind of, you know, steady as she goes. Tesla's just been on this amazing tear. I defer in all analysis to Mike Santoli. But boy, I mean, even if I'm just holding an S&P 500 index fund, I'm worried about Tesla's effect, much less on Tesla itself.
It's going to be 1% just about of the index. So there you go.
It's a big number, so we'll wait. We should hear from S&P possibly today or any moment now over how exactly they're going to do this. But stay tuned, everybody, because that's going to be a difficult one.
So I already know the outcome because that makes sense. This video was released on the 30th of November. However, it's been announced that they will be doing it all at once, so meaning it will be joining the S&P 500 all at once in one day. Now I am excited because that's going to be a roller coaster. It's a significant day as an investor, and I'm curious to see what's going to happen, especially the weeks to come, the months to come after that. I'm sure we're in for some interesting stuff, some real interesting stuff right there. So but if we get into the investing portion anyways, so we're about to chuck in some money right now and let's see what we're about to do. Okay, it's time. I mean, for these moments you're so just I believe it's like human nature where you just try to time the market, like, okay, let me time it when it's like I don't know, it might drop to 70 or 79, but it's so difficult to time the market. It's just like, you might as well do it, because right now I could wait for it to drop to 70, but then again it might jump to like 600. Okay, it's Tesla here, so it's volatile, baby, very volatile. We get the gist. But I could wait or not. You see what I mean? So it's just like, but it is time to buy. So okay, so let's see, how much do we have again? 1,900. Sorry, I keep saying 900. I wish. 1,000, but tomorrow we're gonna be chucking in another 1,000 in here. So I don't wish, but 1,094 pounds 83 pence. Okay, so let's remember that 1,094.83. Okay, so let's go to buy 1,090. What was it? 93. Oh, bloody heck. Okay, 194. It wasn't 83. It would just help if I bloody wrote it down, wouldn't it? Okay, let me write it down. Okay, so I've written it down, 1,094.83. All right, let's just do it. I don't want to think too much about it. Okay, I don't want to just don't want to think too much about it. So buy. Okay, the number value in pounds was 1094. 0.83. So 1,094. That will get me 2.5 shares. Sorry, yeah. Okay, cool. Review order. This is always the scariest part. I don't know why. Review order. Okay, cost. Yep. And it's free. Send by order. Free to. You just don't want to press it. All right, free. All right, okay, cool. 3, 2. I feel like we're doing a SpaceX launch, all right, right now. 3, 2, 1. Buy, send order. Order executed. Bloody heck, that was quick. Oh, and 580. Come on, get in there, you little bad boy. Oh my days, why is it like this? Did you guys witness that? Look at the air at the background. Why is it always like this? As soon as I buy, it drops to... I'm beginning to understand some of these people when they're saying it's very volatile. But trust me, long term is going to pay off, definitely. So, but yeah, as soon as I purchased, literally dropped to 79. Great. Just fantastic, isn't it? Bloody fantastic. Bloody fantastic. But okay, cool. So order executed. 1,000. We're in deep. We're now 4 grand into Tesla. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, cool. But anyways, so return 434. We've now got 3.6 invested. And yeah. So if I click into it now, it brings up our average. Our average was at 481. It brings up our average to 508 per share, which equates to 384 pounds, okay, for each one. So Coolio. I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy with it because, as I said, we're doing this long term anyways, so the gains are going to be insane. Trust me. So return right now has also adapted. We were at 17%. Return is adjusted to 12%. Yeah, we were at 17. You were seeing it was fluctuating between 17 and 18. Now we're seeing 12% return because I've increased some money, and yeah, so coolio. So that still 579. Now it's 80. It makes me feel a bit better when I see it go up, but technically when it drops, that's when you want to buy, because that's when it's in sale and you want to, you know, buy and make more money. Okay, but let me drop this back just like Tesla share. But anyways, guys, so that's that. Be sure to destroy the like button if you found value in this video. I definitely did. I'm the one that's filming, but it was, trust me guys, there's plenty more where that came from. I'm super excited what the future has to offer for Tesla, and just start doing your research. Pick a stock or pick several stocks and invest. Don't spread yourself too thin, but I just want to be diversify, and you're not actually doing anything significant because you don't know about the companies you're investing in. You know nothing about the companies you're investing in because you just, diversity is key. Do you get what I mean? So pick a winner, what you believe to be a winner, and invest long term. That's exactly what we're doing here. Don't forget, this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my personal opinions and experiences and documenting it along the journey for you guys, off to 100k as a portfolio and beyond. Okay, so yeah, be sure to smash the like button. As I said, Trading212 link in the description. Grab your free share right now. Deposit £1, they'll give you a share that's valued up to £100. Okay, so grab it right now. All right guys, but by watching this video, you did not waste your time. Don't forget to tell your haters to get in line. Discord group is coming as well, so look out for that, as well as merch and all that great stuff. Okay, so thank you ever so much. Be sure to check out this awesome video right there, that awesome video right there. If you loved watching this video, you're definitely gonna love watching these two videos. Subscribe button is right there. Peace out, much love, bye bye guys.